In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Mailchimp. Whether you're updating a draft campaign or working on a reusable template, adjusting the background color can be a great way to align your emails with your brand or make your content stand out. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step first. Go ahead and open your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, locate the specific draft campaign or reusable template you'd like to update. Click to open it, and you'll be ready to start editing. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to enter edit mode. To do this, simply click the Edit button. This will launch the Mailchimp editor, which is where you'll make all the changes. The editor is designed to be user-friendly, with a control panel on the left side of your screen and a live preview of your email right in the center. This preview is incredibly helpful because it allows you to see how your updates will look in real time. Now, let's focus on the left-hand control panel from here. Locate and click on the Styles tab. This is where you'll find all the tools to customize the look and feel of your email. Once you've opened the Styles tab, look for the section labeled Background and click on it. This is the area where you can make adjustments to the background of your email. At this point, you have two main options for customization, so let's break that down. First, there's the background option. This controls the outer area of your email, the canvas or the space that surrounds all your content. Changing this color is a great way to set the overall tone of your email or add a touch of creativity. The second option is the body color. This adjusts the area directly behind your text and images, often referred to as the card. This is the most visible part of your email, so choosing a color that complements your content is especially important. To apply a new color, you can use the built-in color picker tool. This allows you to select a color visually by clicking and dragging. Or, if you have a specific color in mind, you can type in its hex code. Using a hex code is a great way to ensure consistency with your brand identity. For example, if your website or logo has specific colors, you can match those exactly here. As you make changes, keep an eye on the live preview in the center of your screen. This is where you can see how your email will look to your audience. Be sure to check that the contrast between your text and the background is strong enough for everything to remain easy to read. A visually appealing design is important, but readability should always come first. Once you're happy with your changes, there's no need to save anything manually. Mailchimp automatically applies your updates as you work. When you're satisfied with the look, you can proceed with the rest of your campaign design, confident that the background is exactly how you want it. And that's it. Changing the background color in Mailchimp is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.